I'm here just to celebrate Easter, the meaning of Easter, and also just give you some good vibes this morning. So I'm gonna do a few songs for you this morning. I do hope you enjoy. And this first song is entitled Light Work. And basically, let's have some fun this morning. Okay, yeah, let's go. Ah. I gotta recite without the sentiment before I destroy without the detriment. Take notes without the pen, engage in court bars without the instrument. That's my DSR, not line of duty flow. Triple entendres while I'm sitting on the tundra plains. Sky high looking for the kings of rain. Soaking wet, your outpour on me. When I'm Richie Rich, Macaulay Culkin, home alone, the black and white like MJ in his prime time as I'm watching every second pass. Back to the future, fuck to the MJ. Is a Michael Jordan, Mick Jagger, or Mark Jacobs with all of the acres of space to planet. For real Neptunes, damage, mark with an A-star. Low grades never got a stat turn spinning with a chocolate flow. Mars bar sounding like Kinder Bueno. That's a good day. To the ripple effect with this Eminem flow, so crunchy but no bounty. The white inside is due to the light in my life, so don't discount me. Compound with the right sound when I'm downtown renowned. I was so lost, now I've been found inbound with a new sound, so I don't drown. Never letting anybody down, king with a crown. Whoa, Heavenly Father, I know that you would never ever let me go. Light work, now I light work on the beat I go. Whoa. They be thinking that it's easy, overflowing when I see C's. Been delivered, I was CC. Head down like a handstand. Have me working on a grand plan. Never land like I'm in damn. Shining loud. I gotta stay lit. Light of the world. I stand out where the darkness sits. That's light work. That's light work. That's light work. Shining loud. I gotta stay lit. Light of the world. I stand out where the darkness sits. That's light work. You hold my life in your hand. I know you overstand. Skipping through the valley of the shadow of death with 9 5s with a golden plan. God was more than a man, and it was part of the plan. Cross carried on the back like a backpack, but you attack that. But the facts are the facts that I got the golden flow. That's Eddie Murphy with an Oriental young one. Minus the skeptics, Skepta with a skipping rope. Over the hate in scope. Konnichiwa for the greeting. Professing the faith, I want all the smoke. They be thinking that it's easy. Overflowing when I see C's. Been delivered, I was CC. Head down like a handstand. Have me working on a grand plan. Never land like I'm in damn. Shining loud. I gotta stay lit. Light of the world. I stand out where the darkness sits. That's light work. That's light work. Shining loud. I gotta stay lit. Light of the world. I stand out where the darkness sits. That's light work. That's light work. That's light work. That's light work. Hey, that's light work. So again, ladies and gentlemen, those who are watching this morning, I bid you good morning. We're talking about Easter. We're talking about Jesus. We're lifting up Christ. Really and truly, I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian artist. And another song I want to do real quick for you is a song called Started Again. Just encouraging people that no matter how far you may have gone in life or what you may be going through, you can always start again. I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end. Jesus wins. Nah, 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 no need to pretend. Now forward with the face, so we started again. 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 Let me rhyme in a deliberate way as I partake and I partake with the nouns and assimilates. I assimilate to annihilate, part ways, the apartheid realign, so we separate. Sin to the side, not again, never arcade. Wait on the Lord like Alfred, I be Mike Kane in Wayne Manor. But only one matters tonight, enter the faith, so be the playmaker. Bread of life and your rights to the baker. Whipped by the cane, avoiding the undertaker. My desire is how you living, you can't break us. Praying on our son, never to be taken. Apparatus, 8 bars upon bars, what a collage. Pick it, shocking the king is in charge, stay current. Let the flow preside, bars keep running, running. I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end. Tell him again, Jesus wins. Nah, no need to pretend. Now bold with a face, so we started again. Hey, so we started again. 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 Back to the bastards, max this. Around the world, flow so glow, black and atlas, do a backspin. Truth in the matter, as a matter of fact, we don't stand for the acting. Better attack the lives back with a passion. Christ with a captain, no longer trapped in sin like a vacuum bin. Because it was me who was rescued in. That's church talk, but the flow's intense. We don't claim to be the perfect men. Last night I cried tears when I messed up hard and I had no pop. That's a waste, man. Their thoughts exactly. Every right to hate me, but where lust broke me, grace saved me. I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end. Tell him again then. Nah, no need to pretend. Hey, now bold with the face, so we started again. 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 I'll be telling everybody to be listening to the truth that we keep on delivering. Struggling with sin, but your word beautiful medicine. So evidence of your benevolence. Tougher than the sediment, your regiment got me acting in diligence. Like Tim Brain got me killing sin. And even though I'm a sin again, you send me grace, a beautiful friend. Keep me going to the very end. You will never leave me, never forsake me. So I rate thee, I persevere to the very end. Even when it's severe, I'm coming to the very end. Alpha and Omega, start to the end. I can see your trance and your win, but the living king. Thank you for your glory and telling everybody your stories that you were defeated when you put up in the very end.
Tell them what they need to hear. We won't sit around and wait in fear. What you know about me? Yeah,
This is love that found me. So I tell him, never gonna hide from thee. In the way you die for me, so you're gonna help me. You can never let me. Even in the night, I scream with a heart so dark. Will you
open me.
restart someone now?
Hope and see.
Wait for my daddy on time, and I'm telling everybody, make it know.
You keep me.
I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end.
I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end.
I tell him again, Jesus wins.
Tell him again then.
Nah, no need to pretend.
Oh, nah.
Hey, now bold with the face, so we started again. Hey, so we started again. 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 So we started again.
So we started again. Oh, yeah. I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end. I'm a rep hard, I'm a rep to the end. Tell him again, Jesus wins. Tell him again then. Nah, need to pretend. Oh, nah. Now over the face, we started again.
So we started again. So we started again. So we started again. So we started again. So we started again. Hey, okay. So we started again. So we started again. So we started again. So we started again.
So we started again. Oh, yeah.
Yo, like yeah, this is what we do. This is how we have fun in the morning on a Wednesday, bright Wednesday morning in the UK. This is how we do this. Listen, the last song I'm gonna do right now is entitled "It's Gonna Be Alright." 2020 was a very difficult year for so many people. For everyone watching this in one way or another, everyone had a very challenging year. But one thing that I had to keep reminding myself, even when it was hard, even when it was difficult, I had to keep on telling myself, do you know what? It's going to be all right. And I just want to leave that message with you as you're watching this. No matter what you're going through or how difficult life may be, it's going to be all right. I promise you, it's going to be all right. It's going to be all, it's going to be okay. It's going to be. Whipping on the A13, speed invested. Wind up when you pass the Vector exit. Brexit, make your man worry, get interested. Funds on low, so I'm canceling Netflix. I kid, I love my baby girl. I love my baby girl, and I'ma sing it to the world. Hate it being a depressed mess. With the pressures that were mounting, when would I ever rest? Clouds that were overhead, monsoon in the mind, I couldn't retell. Sickle genes, the receipt in my blood type. Where there is life, there is hope. Where there is life, there is hope. The Lord is my shepherd, never severed with reverence. Never given me more than I can bear, like Leo in the Revenant. Now I'm settling in my settlement as I keep singing that. Cause I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you will never let me go. It's gonna be alright. Tomorrow's sun will rise in time. Hold on. I had a fight with life, came to the fight with a knife, got stabbed in the back, realized that this was suicide. I expected it to be easier, with the blows and a broken nose. I didn't know I'd be depicted by the poor credit score and the taxes. Why was I never told about these taxes? Fake friends, Oscars for their acting. This daily battle with lust infusing with passions I'm battling. With the enemy and my enemy, going hand in hand, licking synergy. Rumble in the jungle inside before man and God are lean negativity. Jacob in demeanor with the broken hip. Wrestle for the blessing with a tighter grip. I'ma say this in my chest all day. Healing hearts be your forte. These shattered pieces, I go where pieces. It's like I'm drowning. I'm in a corner. I could come home, but I feel the distance. I know you heard me, but will you listen with all conviction? You whispered to me that it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. No matter what you're going through, look, listen, sometimes you just need to tell yourself this. Say, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. When you're feeling low, let me hear you say, it's gonna be. That's what I tell myself every single morning. I want you to tell yourself the very same thing. Let me hear you say, it's gonna be. When you're feeling weak, when you're feeling down, when you're feeling broken, say, it's gonna be. It's gonna be, hey, it's gonna be, or. Cause I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you will never let me go. It's gonna be, or. Tomorrow's sun will rise in time. Hold on tight. It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be.